Hello everyone, welcome to NG's Corner for Nurses. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we will start the fourth part of the basics of ECG interpretation. And in this video we will discuss about the 12 lead ECG placement. This is the outline of today's session. The standard 12 lead ECG is composed of 12 leads that record the electrical activity in the heart from 12 different views. Each ECG lead provides a unique picture of the electrical impulses transmitted from the heart to the surface of the body. And out of these 12 leads, 6 are designated as limb leads and other 6 are designated as chest or precordial leads. Be aware that electrodes and leads are not same. So in this video, we will explain why a 12 lead ECG uses only 10 electrodes. Let's see it. Electrodes are an adhesive conductive pad that sticks to the skin and allow the electrical activity of the heart to be recorded. The 10 electrodes creates 12 different views of the heart and the electrical activity of the heart is recorded from those 12 angles. And these 12 views of the heart are the 12 leads you see on the ECG graph paper. So, a lead is a recording or view of the electrical activity of the heart from the angle of that particular electrode. Some of the electrodes communicate with each other, which is why there are 12 different views or leads from only 10 electrodes. First, coming to chest or precordial leads. Chest leads are derived from 6 electrodes placed on specific areas of the chest overlying the precordium or heart. And the chest leads are designated from V1 to V6. The 6 chest electrodes are placed on the anterior chest wall. Let's see the placement of chest electrodes. First is V1. V1 should be placed on the 4th intercostal space, right sternal border. Next is V2. 4th intercostal space, left sternal border. Next, we will place at first the V4, the 5th intercostal space, mid-clavicular line. You can see in the picture. And next, we will place the V3, the 5th intercostal space, the midway between V2 and V4. Next, coming to V5, 5th intercostal space, anterior axillary line, and the V6 on the 5th intercostal space, mid-axillary line. Next, coming to the limb leads. Once the limb electrodes are placed on the body surface, the electrical forces from the heart are conveyed from the body to the ECG machine. And the electrical forces are then displayed in 6 limb leads designated as lead 1, 2, 3, AVR, AVL and AVF. 6 limb leads look at the heart in a vertical plane and are obtained from 3 electrodes attached to the right arm, left arm and left leg. And the electrode on the right leg is an earth electrode. The limb electrodes have standard color code. The recording limb electrodes are placed on the right arm, left arm and left leg. And the right leg electrode is a grounded or neutral electrode. As per International Electrotechnical Commission standard, the color codes are for right arm, the color code is red, for left arm, yellow, for left leg, green and for right leg, black. And as per American Heart Association standard, for right arm it is white, For left arm, it is black, and for left leg, it is red, and for right leg, it is green. First three leads, that means lead 1, 2 and 3 are called bipolar leads. These leads use two electrodes at a time to record the tracing. For each bipolar lead, one electrode is positive and the other one is negative. Bipolar leads record electrical forces generated from the two electrodes, and by convention the two electrodes used to form each lead are, first one is lead 1 where left arm positive and right arm negative. In lead 2 the left leg positive and the right arm negative. Please see the picture. And in lead 3 left leg positive and left arm negative. The same limb electrodes are also used to form the three unipolar limb leads, that are AVR, AVL and AVF. Each lead uses only one electrode at a time to record the electrical forces generated from the heart. That's why it is known as unipolar lead. And for each unipolar limb lead, the specific limb electrodes is the positive electrode, which records the electrical forces in relation to a negative central reference point created electronically, which you can see in the picture. The A stands for augmented because the electrical forces recorded by the limb electrodes are electronically enlarged, and V stands for unipolar. The unipolar limb electrodes used to form each unipolar limb lead, which are AVR, which means right arm electrode positive, AVL, that is left arm electrode positive, and AVF for left leg electrode positive. In previous slides, we have already learned that a 12-lead ECG provides 12 different electrical views of the heart generated by 10 electrodes placed on the body. So here we can see it is an example of a ECG graph paper, and here each lead offers a unique perspective of the heart's electrical activity. We can see in vertical plane view, that means the views that we get from limb leads, it provides inferior and lateral views of the heart. We can see here the limb lead 1, 2, 3 and AVL and AVF is offering lateral and inferior views. And the horizontal plane views, that means the views from chest leads, it provides septal, anterior and lateral views. The next part of this topic will coming soon. If this content is useful for you, then please put a like and share it with others. And for getting more videos like this, you can subscribe my YouTube channel NG's Corner for nurses. And for any suggestions or for any queries, you are most welcome to comment. Thank you for watching.